Which come with the flag demand?
Morning, my viewers and subscribers. Hope all is well with you guys. Hope you all having a productive day. Anyhow, can somebody please tell me why Venezuela have them protests, them street march, and one Jamaica flag in it? Because me I try to understand why one Jamaica flag there in it, you know. Venezuela and the US have them situation going on. Why are they bringing us in their situation? Like them I try to set way up or something. Me I try to understand it from the other day, you know. Because here we got through Hurricane Melissa and we not even start recovering properly yet. We not start yet. God bless how far we reach in a recovery. And for them to have them stuff going on and I try to draw in there, I don't think it makes sense, you know. Because we don't have enough going on. We have enough going on for us. We've been through a great turmoil. People have lost their lives. People lose their homes, lost everything. People still living nowhere, still shock up in shelters, still catching with people, still bouncing around on the streets, still struggling for food, struggling for shelter, struggling for clothing, struggling for a peace of mind. And to see they are trying to bring us in what is happening, we don't need to be a part of that. Everything that is going on that is not right, they try to bring Jamaica in it, even we are not a part of it. We don't need to be a part of it. We don't want to be a part of it. We are not a part of it. Leave us out of whatever they are doing. Whatever situation, whatever they have going on, leave Jamaica out of it. Put our flag aside and leave us alone. We are struggling with our own situation, our own problems, our own tribulation and trials. We are in survival mode at this point in time. The new year has just begun. Why try to bring us into something that we are not even sure of what is going on? Leave us alone. Leave us alone. I don't get it. Amount of things what we got through in the last couple of months, words can't express. People still mourning their loved one that they lost. People still stressed and traumatized over what they have seen. The things they saw that they never saw before in all of our history in disaster. People still trying to cope with their losses. Roads that are still cut off, that they can't really move from point A to point B. There's so much we have going on for us, so much we have to deal with. Our island will not come back to normal in a long time. A very long time. And yet still we are trying to cope. We are trying to be strong. We are trying to keep a positive mindset. Because we are a strong nation. But that doesn't mean because we are a strong nation, people are going to be going through whatever they're going through and trying to pull us into it. Y'all having your protests down there, whatever street march, whatever is going on. Why take up a Jamaica flag marching and carrying on as if we are a part of that? We are not. Leave us out of it. When it comes down to disasters and certain situations, Jamaica is always there standing in the gap with people of other islands, other country. We are always showing up to give aid. But when it comes down to stuff like that, protesting and street march, whatever march they carrying on with, gallivanting in the streets and then trying to bring us into it, it's unacceptable. Stop pulling us into things that we are not a part of. Stop pulling us into things that we don't really know about what's going on in other places. Leave us out of it. We're trying to deal with our problems. We have our own problems going on. And that's what we're trying to deal with. That's what we're trying to cope with. A lot of country came to our aid and we appreciate it. And when it comes down to stuff like these, we go to other countries with aid just the same way and support and help to build back just the same way. But when it comes down to these type of things, I don't think we need to be a part of it. And don't try to pull us into what we don't know about or what we are not sure about. Left with flag alone. And no walk with it, no protest with it. Because any protest if we go on in a free country, we protest and do it for itself. So no protest, we both walk one now in a country, we no protest about in a phone no country and use on a flag and left with flag out tight and left with out on a cast them on a passa them on a whole heap of things them on have a go on. We don't need to be a part of it. Because there's a lot of things going on that we don't know about. And we don't care to be a part of. So please, in whatever y'all doing, leave us on our flag out tight. Take away flag out tight completely. Take away out tight, please and thanks. Not draw we in there. We don't want to be a part of it. Anyway, I don't have a blessed day here, my viewers and subscribers.